All right, so I'll do one right now. Here. Try and get the back end.
Oh, okay.
You're good.
All right, go ahead. Oh my God.
Dude, it was like a 60-foot burnout.
Holy crap.
All right, guys. So the Charger is back, and I went to Connecticut, Waterbury, Connecticut, to pick it up. It now has a cammed 397 in there, and I'm really excited to show you guys some of the footage of the first day that I went out. Had a little bit of fun with my buddy CT Hellcat. We were doing some flybys, and just kind of getting our, I don't know. I guess just having some fun. I'm excited. I'm pumped. I think Ted and the team over at Genetti Racing did an amazing job. This thing feels like an absolute monster. I know you guys have a ton of questions about the build, but this video is not going to answer any of them. We're just going to go have some fun. So with that being said, let's go. Try a little launch here.
That thing is a fucking beast.
Does it feel good? It feels fast, man. It feels real fast.
Feels good.
Honestly, with the weather like this, though, I don't want to get too hard. Like, I don't want to get too into it, kind of a thing.
Yeah.
It gets, like, you could tell right out of the gate. It just, the torque is there now. There's a lot more torque, a lot more power. Do you hear the difference, though?
Sounds deep.
Right?
Yeah.
I noticed, like, when I put it in sport mode right now, it's like gurgling and crackling. It sounds ferocious. It's definitely different, like you could tell that this has been big time upgraded, big time. And I'll tell you, I hear the Hellcat throttle body. Oh my God, I hear it. It's almost like a whistling noise.
Yeah.
It's crazy. But I think the exhaust is really what is making it feel very different. I love it. This is definitely a big time upgrade right here.
Look at how clean that thing is, man. It feels
Right? They freaking nailed it. See this? They put like a spacer or an adapter there. and then they did this right here. I guess it's a better transition between the intake and the throttle body.
Adapter.
Yeah.
Of some sort.
See this? This wasn't there before. I used to have a. It was a little bit more clunky looking.
So they put that on?
They put they put that. It's a breather. It's trying really hard.
So you got to get half covers now, then, right?
Yeah, I do. Yep. Dude, the accelerations on the highway, blast, just a blast. But it's weird. Like, I'm not confident yet with this horsepower, so I'm being a little bit cautious. You know.
And like you said, especially in this weather.
Yeah. The last thing I want to do is go off on the side of the road after picking it up. But man, I'm pumped. That Hellcat is a beast. I hear the supercharger over my own exhaust. It's crazy.
I swear there's something different about this supercharger.
I think it's your LMI, man.
Oh my God, it's so loud.
The Hellcat throttle body, isn't it supposed to be 92 millimeters?
I think so, yeah.
But they said that this was 95.
Wow.
That's massive.
Yeah.
Insane. Such a cool setup.
Is this still used?
What's that?
Is this thing still used?
Yeah. Yep.
Because it's part of the.
At I think it's 6,000 RPM.
Okay.
Oh no. What is it? 4,500. It switches.
And that's for the
runners.
The runners.
Yeah. Yours obviously doesn't have it.
Right.
You have the supercharger, but for the 392s they have. I believe it goes from short to long.
Okay.
I could have that backwards. I forget.
So on a regular 392, there's something integrated.
There's something built in. It's not there. You don't see the box.
See that. Right.
It's somewhere built in. I have no clue where, but I don't know. Like everybody that does this upgrade ends up having to put that switch somewhere.
Yeah.
So. Smiles per gallon, man. Yo, horsepower is freaking expensive, but it's fun. It's a drug.
Yep.
Can I announce that you got you have more power coming?
Sure. Yeah.
CT Hellcat's about to get some more power on this beast. So you had it up on the dyno, 680.
680, yeah, with just the exhaust mods and the LMI intake.
Okay. And you got yourself an unlocked PCM tuner.
Yep.
And what are you hoping with that?
I want to get the upper pulley done, which from what I understand gives you, I don't know, maybe 20 more, 30 more, something like that.
Okay. So you're actually going to be flirting with 700 wheel horsepower now.
Right. Yeah. I'm hoping it puts me over 700 wheel. Yeah.
That's sick. I'll tell you, modding the Hellcats, I mean, it's such a good bang for the buck.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Every modification you do is just, it unleashes 15, 20 horsepower.
Yeah.
Naturally aspirated horsepower, it's brutal. You know, you're
really
nickel and diamond everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
A little excited.